In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix QC error in Meesho. Firstly, check the QC error details for bulk uploads or for single product uploads. Firstly, open your original catalog Excel file and the QC error file you downloaded. This will allow you to compare and identify what needs fixing. Now look for the highlighted errors in the QC error file and fix accordingly. Common QC errors include image error, wrong category, duplicate SKU or product ID, description issues, or missing mandatory details. Once all corrections are made, save the original Excel file and do not change the file format, and make sure everything is filed correctly. Now go back to the Meesho supplier panel and open the QC errors section. Click Upload Revised File and choose the uploaded Excel file, then submit it for recheck. Meesho will review it again in typically 24 to 48 hours to approve corrections, and once approved, your product will go live on Meesho.